Wait a minute. Hold up. Is this, wait a minute. Is this who I think it is? What are you doing here, sir?
Freestyling.
Huh? We doing a track walk. You right on time.
Where are you parking?
Right over there.
Where the rest of the cars are.
Yeah.
All right.
MATT-MAXX made it to the night spot. First time here. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love it. And then the Matt booth. That's all we added. That's the only thing that was added. Everything else pretty much the same. Oh, and we got the Parlez-vous Français gate up at the top. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I forgot. You know that's gonna be the name of it. That's the name. It just stuck. Hey, the night spot. There they go with the crazy stuff. You know. And my boy Cole over there. What up, Cole? You good? And we got the Parlez-vous Français gate up at the top. You know what I'm saying? Event here also. This is the DJI heat. So we got 2 analog heats and we got a DJI heat. Everybody's welcome. Anybody's welcome. DJI analog. That's my boy Q. I call it Hollywood, but it's all good. You know, we all welcome. Yeah, everybody welcome. Night spot action.
Everybody ready?
Arm them up. We go live in 5. Go, go, go. Quads everywhere. I love it.
Go.
Great.
Tonight.